Hello student, today we are going to start some multiple choice question MCQ and also answer on production technology under mechanical engineering module 6. All these MCQ are very important for competitive exam. Question number 1. Casting process is preferred for parts having. There are 4 options. Correct answer is B. Casting process is preferred for parts having many details parts. Okay. Question number 2. Tool signature is, what is the identification of tools? There are 4 options. Correct answer is B. Tool signature is a numerical method of identification of tools. Question number 3. Tool signature, tool specification, comprise. There are 4 options. Correct answer is D. Tool signature comprises 7 elements. For specification of a tools, 7 elements are required. Question number 4. In metal cutting at speed 20 mpm meter per minute, maximum heat is carried out by. There are 4 options. Correct answer is C. Maximum heat is carried out by chips. Okay. Question number 5. The rake angle of a cutting tool. There are 4 options. Correct answer is D. Rake angle of a cutting tool control the chip formation. Question number 6. No cutting fluid is normally used while machining. There are 4 options. Correct answer is C. For cast iron, normally no cutting fluid is required. Question number 7. Stellite is the trade name for. There are 4 options. Correct answer is D. Stellite is the trade name for non-ferrous cast alloy. Question number 8. Cemented carbide tool are poor in. There are 4 options. Correct answer is C. Cemented carbide tools are poor in shear stress. Okay. Question number 9. The binding material used in cemented carbide tool is. There are 4 options. Correct answer is B. Binding material used in cemented carbide tool is cobalt. Question number 10. A reamer is used to correct the. There are 4 options. Correct answer is B. A reamer is used to correct the size, hole size and roundness of the hole. Question number 11. The portion of the tool on which cutting edge is formed is called. There are 4 options. Correct answer is D. The portion of the tool on which cutting edge is formed is called shank. Question number 12. The strength of a cutting tool depends on the following angle. There are 4 options. Correct answer is C. Strength of a cutting tool depends on rake angle. Question number 13. Cutting force and power involved in a machine tools can be measured by. There are 4 options. Correct answer is D. Dynamometer is used to measure cutting force and power in a machine tools. Question number 14. The cutting tool in a milling machine is mounted on. There are 4 options. Correct answer is B. Cutting tool in a milling machine is mounted on arbor. Question number 15. Milling machine is classified as horizontal or vertical type. Depend on the position of. There are 4 options. Correct answer is A. Milling machine classified as horizontal or vertical type. It depends on spindle position. Question number 16. The commonly used value of point angle of a standard twist drill is. There are 4 options. Correct answer is D. Point angle of a standard twist drill is 118. Question number 17. An important parameter of specification of milling machine is. There are 4 options. Correct answer is C. Arbor size. Arbor size is an important parameter of specification of milling machine. Question number 18. The operation of milling 2 sides of a workpiece simultaneously একসঙ্গে is called. There are 4 options. Correct answer is D. Saddle milling. In saddle milling, 2 sides of workpiece simultaneously machining in milling machine. Question number 19. Burnishing is an operation of. There are 4 options. Correct answer is C. Burnishing is an operation of gear finishing. Question number 20. The tougher material like copper. Copper is a tough material. There are 4 options. Correct answer is B. For tougher material like copper, negative rake angle is provided.